Welcome to Blackbird's tutorial series. In this video, we will be looking at the batches page and how to manage several batches. When going to the batches page, you will see all the batches for your production. You can see the state your batch is in, either running, pending, or done. You can scroll to see details of this batch. For a running batch, you can press Actual Stop and give the amount of scrap which was not recorded by sensors. For a pending batch, you can press Actual Start and confirm hereafter. To the far right, you can see links to other pages for that particular batch. You can click on these to, for example, be directed to the live graph for a batch. This video concludes on how to use Blackbird's batches page.